I was really keen to come just because I'm relatively new to organising in the UK, and I thought it'd be a fantastic opportunity to meet like-minded souls and to network.
Whether you're a brand new business or whether you've been going for years, it's just, if you're brand new, it's so inspiring and you learn so much. It's fantastic to get a little bit of a buzz off other people.
It's a great way to come together and share information and be part of APDO.
It's a nice way to connect
with other members
from around the country and around the world.
And particularly when you work on your own,
it can be quite lonely, so it's really lovely to
meet people in flesh.
Because we're already doing something and you get to talk.
Get to learn about different aspects of being a professional organiser and declutterer.
Is incredibly inspiring.
I think the thing for me is I've been in business for 13 years now.
I've been in the industry for 20 years.
And I've been to every single conference.
Well, this is my 5th conference.
I've been at every conference since it first started.
To 8 conferences already.
I've been every year since I've been a member.
But I still, from the first 2 speakers, I've been making vast quantities of notes and things that I need to take away with me.
You come back with so many takeaways to take your business onto that next level.
And it's really, really useful. So many fantastic fresh ideas. So much that I can implement in my own business.
I am blown away by my experience, not only as a speaker, but also as a delegate here. So far, I've really enjoyed listening to the presidents and their experience.
Fantastic couple of days of inspiration. I would never miss it for the world.
We're all in this together and we need to stay together as a team to grow us as an industry.
It's always been my dream personally as one of the founder members to have an association where people would treat each other not as colleagues but not as competitors. And when you see 100 people all in a room sharing this kind of knowledge, it's the most inspiring thing that I could possibly wish for.